Do you want to send a button in an email from a Google Sheet? Just like this. This is an actual email that I've sent to myself, and this is a button. This actually works. It's a link to YouTube. Let me show you how to use this or how to implement this. So in our Google Sheet, all I have is in B1, I have some text, and in B2, I have the URL that I want to send that button to. So let's go to extensions app script. Now here I've created a function send email, and I'm just sending it to myself. This is just me as the owner of the spreadsheet or whoever is the owner. You can replace this with text, email address, anything. The subject is just the word button. The URL we're grabbing from spreadsheet app.getActiveSpreadsheet.get sheet by name, sheet 1, so you can say any sheet name there, get range B2, and B1 here for the text. Now here's where the magic happens. We're going to create a variable called HTML body. This is in not just single quotes, but actually backticks. So this backtick on a Mac is just under the escape button in the upper left corner on them. And why we're doing this is so that we can fill in the URL with just this $sign and curly brackets and this URL variable. This is called interpolation. And here's all the magic. We're creating an A with an href. Style is going to be background, color. We have text decoration, none, padding. You can increase this or decrease it as you wish. We have a margin as well and a border radius, so that you have that rounded corners. We display in block, font family. You can change this if you want. You can even change the font size. And I added a little border bottom here, 4 pixels and solid, and here's the color. This is just a slightly different color than the color of the background here, this red. And then we're using Gmail app, send email. We're sending it to the owner or whatever email address you want. We're sending a subject, just some text. The text body here is just a fallback. I wrote this this URL and added the URL. It's a fallback if who you're sending to doesn't accept HTML emails. But then we're putting in curly brackets an option, which is HTML body with a capital B, colon, and then the variable that we've called HTML body. That is all we're doing here. If you want to see more, I have more on Better Sheets about sending emails and automating that from AppScript. If you're not watching this on bettersheets.co, become a member today, because down below you get access to this sheet and this exact script over on bettersheets.co. Every tutorial comes with every. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.